Hey guys, so I'm going to go through another flow, but this time I'm just going to do support and resistance and basically what's going on. So I'll tag 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour like this. And then I'm going to only toggle on, let's just say, support and resistance basically. And then push start. And now the AI will begin to analyze every single time frame, and it's going to be a little cleaner look. If you see the other previous videos, you can toggle on all of them, and then from there you can just go in this lines and remove stuff individually, or you can remove them yourself. But this one is just support and resistance. Should really help understand what's going on. By default, it will also draw your playbook, your drawing playbook. So if you didn't have any of those toggles on, which I just showed you, it's just going to scan the chart, draw your playbook, and the AI within the chat knows everything. Then you can ask it to draw boxes, and you can ask it to mark out other things that you'd want. So we'll wait maybe 1 more minute. Okay, so all three have been taken and analyzed, and then it's going just to draw my whole playbook that I want to see, okay? And then it will draw support and resistance as well. So then that's like a cleaner look like that. You have support and resistance. Obviously, there was this first resistance is just touching, but then it can come to the 300 right now. Then we still have support. We have entry based on my playbook right now down here. And then you have more support of bullish support down here at 212 like that. And then you have big support right here. Now, if this breaks, it turns into potential bear move, maybe touch this fake out zone, maybe go down here all the way for the sell side liquidity. But this is still demand zone right now. And that's a cleaner look if you just wanted to have it draw your playbook and support and resistance. And once again, let me show you. You create a chat like this. You can then tag your instrument, and then you do the start flow, continue, and then you can choose any of these. So if you only want your playbook, just do that and just start the flow, and it's going to draw your playbook. It's that easy. So from there, you can obviously remove lines like, I don't want support and resistance. I just need to see this. Okay, so there is my draw playbook. There is the AI idea that aligns with my whole plan and everything. Enter here, take profit there, stop loss here. And then there's the zones that I want to see. And your drawing playbook is going to be in here. And you do... where is it? Yeah, chart AI, and scroll down all the way to chart companion. Here's your drawing playbook right here, nicely in the app. You also have it within here and the chart AI, and you can see your drawing playbook right there. So that is automatically drawn every single time you run these flows within MyTradingBuddy.